The alt error on your Spectrum cable box connected to a Samsung TV signals an alternate signal issue, often due to HDMI handshake problems, outdated firmware, or compatibility mismatches. This can cause a black screen, frozen display, or an error message. It means the TV and cable box are struggling to communicate correctly. A key cause is the failure of the TV and box to negotiate resolution or signal type via HDMI. Mismatched HDMI versions like older cable box HDMI 1.4 versus newer TV HDMI 2.1 can worsen the problem. Weak cable signals or interference can also trigger the error, causing the box to switch to an alternate mode. Outdated Spectrum firmware or incompatible Samsung TV apps can lead to instability. As of September 2025, while improvements in firmware and streaming services have reduced its frequency, it can still occur, especially with older Spectrum cable boxes or weak signal strength. First, perform a basic reset by unplugging the cable box for 30 seconds to clear memory and resolve temporary issues. Next, ensure you are using high-quality HDMI cables certified for 4K to prevent handshake failures between the box and TV. Make sure the cable box has the latest firmware by checking via the Spectrum Support app for optimal compatibility. For a more advanced reset, perform a factory reset using Spectrum's remote or app, which reinstalls the firmware. Spectrum has released firmware updates in 2024 that improve HDMI compatibility with Samsung TVs. If using an older box, consider upgrading to Spectrum's Flex streaming box, which uses Wi-Fi instead of HDMI and reduces alt errors. If the error persists, check all connections to ensure they are not loose or damaged, which can cause signal issues. Finally, use Spectrum's app with AI diagnostics that predict and prevent alt errors by analyzing connection data.